Hi, I'm Mayor Patrick Hall. I just wanted to provide a quick update on COVID-19 for the City of Canning residents. Our crisis incident management team are meeting daily to ensure the continuity of services to our community. This allows us to be responsive to the ever-changing situation. We're also closely following the advice of state and federal governments. In line with the Prime Minister's announcement on March the 24th, and to introduce further measures to help stem the spread of COVID-19 in the community, we've closed the customer service counter of our admin building to restrict the number of people entering the building and to prevent close contact. Our call centre is still operating, of course. You can call us at any time on 1300 422 664. A mailbox is also available right next to the notice board at the front of the admin building for those who need to drop off planning documents. People can also connect with the City digitally via email, customer@canning.wa.gov.au, or message us on one of our social media channels. The front counter at the Fleming Avenue Works Depot is closed to contractors and suppliers to also help minimise contact. The City's animal management facility, also known as our pound, continues to operate its normal opening hours, although only one person at a time can access the office. We understand, of course, this is a difficult time and an uncertain time for everybody. We recognise the social impact the virus may be having on our Canning community in terms of restricted movement, social isolation, grief and increased anxiety. Staying active is very important to mental health. To assist our community in doing this, all the lights are on from 6 to 9 p.m. daily at Hossack Reserve, Wyong Reserve and Willetton Reserve. The Whaleback Golf Course and driving range are still open, however the café out there is closed. This will be continually reviewed in line with the latest advice from the Department of Health. We ask that people getting out and about are always mindful of physical distancing. Our free Get Active Canning app also has a range of at-home workouts for you, and community members can join the library from home for instant access to a huge range of e-books, e-audio books, e-magazines, film and documentaries. Residents, I want to take the opportunity to convey my deep admiration for the resilience that the Canning community is demonstrating. These are indeed difficult, challenging and remarkable times. And in the days, weeks and months ahead, there may be further difficulties for us all to face, but I'm certain that the Canning community will rally to meet those challenges. The focus of your council and the City's administration is the well-being of the most vulnerable people in our community and the delivery of essential services across Canning, and we will remain committed to the task for the duration of this crisis. I'd also like to convey my thanks and my sincere gratitude to our health workers, emergency service personnel, those in the aged care sector, our teachers, and especially those who are working anywhere within the supply chain. I thank all of you for your resilience and your commitment in the face of growing anxiety, and I also commend you for the important role that you play in ensuring essential goods and services remain available to some of the most vulnerable people in our district. The steps that we now take and the actions that are being put in place will aid our long-term social and economic recovery, and so I urge you to rely only on information and advice provided from reliable news services and official government websites. Together, united, and with cooperation and resolve, we will get through this. The latest local updates can be found on our social media channels and our website. Thanks to you all.